History in the making. Snow piled high up to the street sign. A man wearing shorts. Car buried in snow. Driving. Oh, okay, thank you, Tara. Mountains of snow. We're on our way to Abris. The bus is coming. It's kind of scary. Not wearing my seatbelt. Okay, good Shabbos, everyone. This is history in the making. 150 years hasn't had this much snow. 16 inches of snow.